Anyway, guys, we're going out to eat.
Let's go get something to eat.
Oh man, I'm hungry.
You're hungry.
Oh my gosh. Somebody needs to turn the TV on for the dogs. You know they like to watch.
We all just got dressed and like got water and shoes. Oh, why are you doing that?
Because I was trying to find a good lighting.
Oh, and then Dad's like, and Mom's like, all right, well, let's go. And Dad's like, where are we going? I said we're going to eat, you know.
I'm hungry.
Yeah, we could go eat.
So here's another super attractive vlog from Dogface. Right, Alex?
Oh yeah.
Oh,
Right,
Santa Claus is coming to town is on soon. We'll leave that
Santa's
on.
coming to town? I know him.
He'll like that.
100%.
Represent what?
I don't know who makes these.
Oh my gosh, let's go. We're going to Snap Fitness. Oh snap. Oh snap. Alright there, we're here at Snap Fitness. Why do I start on like this weird accent when I start vlogging? Okay, there's quite a few people here actually.
I took out the camera.
I have a camera and I'm vlogging.
When I have camera, I talk different. No, I don't. You do.
She's got her iPad and then what movie?
Santa Claus is coming to town.
Weren't you just talking about that at home?
What?
Weren't you just talking about that at home?
Well, yeah, because I left it on for the dogs to watch.
I'm watching Bones because I love it. And it's kind of nice to text while working. It's kind of awesome. And then Alex is over there. What's Alex watching? What are you watching? Oh, he's just listening to dubstep. What? What are you guys doing? Wow. It's too fast. Don't puke. Wow.
125. 126.
120.
127.
Whew.
I always stop at odd numbers.
Oh my gosh, Dad's watching Bones too. People think I'm crazy. Uh-oh, they're gonna start making out.
Oh.
They always do.
No, I didn't sign up for
If
that.
this is a new episode, that is.
It says it's on Fox, so chances are. Yep.
Told you, told you, told you. Alright, I look great, don't I? Yeah, totally.
I'm sore from 127 reps. Gotta give me a
Your
break.
pecs?
My pecs are sore from 127 reps.
Okay. Alex is embarrassed. So I'm sick of there being no goodbyes at the end of our videos. Even though it's the next day now of, you're watching yesterday's vlog actually. Even though it's the next day, I just wanted to film a goodbye because I haven't been saying goodbye to you lately. I think I'm gonna do one Sunday, okay? Okay? Right? Because I haven't done a vlog on Sunday in a while, so yeah. Yeah, you guys in there. Say bye. Say bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.